return to me if you must. But your precious bulk will also fall into oblivion. And your quest will have been in vain. Eventually, I always win.
You don't win. All that book holds is faded pictures from the past. I'm the mind's courage. I don't need it anymore. This is going in my scrapbook when I get that back. Sleep tight, Nightmare.
Take that, Dr. Dread! Oh no! Dusty! Your scrapbook!
Don't worry, I'll live. I'm more worried about the mind.
What do you mean?
The nightmares are gone, but all of this was not caused by a usual scare. It must have been a huge trauma.
You think the mind will get over it?
I don't know. The mind doesn't really seem tuned to big challenges anymore. I think we need to go remind it.
What? You mean talk to the conscious mind?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Sometimes, to get back on track, all you need is a wake-up call.
Think it will work?
I think it will. Hey you! Mind! It is time to wake up and face your fears. Everyone feels doubt when confronted with the unknown. It's so easy to get overwhelmed by distress and adversity. But hiding away doesn't solve anything.
Come on, you lazy bum. Wake up! Mom! Come in here! I think Dad just moved!
What? Are you sure, honey?
He just moved his head! I swear!
Oh, my head.
Oh, thank God. He's waking up.
I'm coming back to the surface through the alleys of my mind. Everything here is broken. I need time to make it right. So hold on, and soon comes the day. And there are sights you must see to believe them. Yeah, hold on, I might be far away, but I know I will see you again. This tangled walk down these pathways I must take on my own. Obstacles and conundrums lie on my way back home. So hold on, and soon comes the day. There are lights on my way that will lead me. Yeah, hold on, I might be far away, but I know I will see you again. I know you float at the surface, stranded with no end in sight, stuck to the ground while you're waiting to resolve your lives.